Have you ever felt betrayed by someone close to you, maybe even family? It's a tough feeling, and the Bible actually has a whole book about it. It's the shortest book in the Old Testament, just 21 verses long, and it's called Obadiah. It's a powerful message from God delivered by the prophet Obadiah to a nation called Edom. So, who were the Edomites? They were descendants of Esau, the twin brother of Jacob, who was later named Israel. This means Edom and Israel were brother nations. You'd think they'd have each other's backs, right? But when Jerusalem was attacked and the people of Judah were carried away into exile, Edom didn't help. In fact, they did the opposite. They stood by, gloated over their brother's misfortune, and even helped the enemies capture those trying to escape. They rejoiced in Judah's destruction. Obadiah's message is a direct response to this betrayal. God tells Edom, "The pride of your heart has deceived you." The Edomites lived in a mountainous, rocky region, and they felt secure and untouchable in their fortress-like cities. They thought they were invincible, but God makes it clear that their pride would be their downfall. He says, "Though you soar like the eagle and make your nest among the stars, from there I will bring you down." No one is so high and mighty that they are beyond God's reach. The prophecy foretells Edom's complete destruction. The very nations they allied with would turn against them. The same way they treated Judah, they would be treated. It's a sobering reminder of the principle, you reap what you sow. But the book doesn't end there. After detailing Edom's judgment, the tone shifts to hope. The final verses speak of a future restoration for Israel. God's people will be saved, and they will possess the land once held by their enemies, including Edom. The book concludes with a powerful declaration, "And the kingdom will be the Lord's." So, what can we take away from Obadiah today? It's a powerful warning against pride and a call for compassion. It reminds us not to rejoice in the struggles of others, but to show empathy, especially to our family and faith. And ultimately, it points to a future where justice will prevail and God's kingdom will be established forever. It's a short book, but it's packed with timeless truth. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the Bible. See you next time.